to shout. Sorry to say, but by now I am done by what I see. Had to go back to get to me. Bloodshot eyes, my substance to say. Been here too long, so my soul is badly wounded. Lucidity, reality never gave me the ability to react without my heart. I fight with the world, trying to defy its deceitful ways. I see you and I admire you. How strong you could be. At the same time, you could be so cruel to me. Love. Sometimes you say we need to turn our backs and go away. Shut doors, close eyes, take a ride, walk and go astray. But I'm pushed to speak about aloud this